Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we cooking today? We are making Moin Moin. These are my ingredients. Yes, let's blend it together. Please guys, kindly comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. I love you guys. Yes, as you can see, I've already added the beans, the pepper, the onions. I'm adding ginger, so and water as well, so allow it to blend together. Yes, let's blend it together. It's done. So I'm putting it in the bowl, and I'm going to put a stock fish here. That's the water that I use in boiling the fish, and this is Maggi chicken. Yes, let's put our fish. Yes, our fish, and I'm going to put granite oil. Yes, vegetable oil, which I've added, and a bit of salt to taste. So we are going to stir it together. Please stay tuned. This Moin Moin you can actually use to take pap, gari, bread, rice, eat it alone. Yes, it's actually a good thing. It's a in it's baked beans. Yes, baked beans. It is Moin Moin. Baked beans is Moin Moin. Yes. Wow, look at it. So I prefer using foil. Yeah, depending on what you want to use, you can use a Moin Moin wrap. Yes, a green wrap. So I just want to use the foil for today. Yes, and everything is done. Now let's put it in the oven and cook it for 20 minutes. Yes, before we know it, our moi moi is ready. Yes, wow, this moi moi is giving. It's ready. It's done. Look at it. I love this. Thank you guys. Bless. Bye.